I wouldn't suggest that anybody does this, but what is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, today I have a fun challenge. You know, people are always saying technically trading is a 50% chance that you win or lose, because honestly, price can either go up or go down. So today I'm going to be testing that theory. Today I'm literally just going to be blindly opening up trades and keeping them open for a certain amount of time. I don't know how long. I'll probably tell y'all when I'm hopping in the trade, okay, I'm gonna be in this for 30 minutes and I'm gonna close it out, win or loss. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna open up trades, buy or sells, completely random, and all day I'm not allowed to look at the charts. Now, you guys will obviously just have to trust me and trust that I'm not gonna look at the charts, but look at me. Look at me. Do I look like the type of person that would lie to you? No. You know what I'm saying? So, honestly, this should be a very fun challenge. So, let's honestly just start it. I'm excited.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, as y'all see right here, I have loaded up an account with $500. Now, I'm not finna blow 10 grand on this. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know how this is gonna go. We do have a 50% chance of winning these trades, but I don't like those odds, you know what I'm saying? Because usually when I'm trading, I have way better odds than 50-50. Well, not way better. They like 60%, 65, something like that. But if y'all want to stay updated with every trade that I take, there's a link for it inside the description down below. I have a whole signals chat that comes with a free course included with it. It's not a mini course. It's a full entire course. I'll take you from beginner to advanced. So if you like better odds, I would suggest y'all join that and learn to trade for yourself for real. But we finna just open up a trade right here. Let's press plus. We're going to do NAS 100 trades. Now, I have a $500 account, so I think I'm going to just do point. Plus, it's like early in the morning right now. That's why I look tired. You see my eyes is puffy and all that stuff. But, so there is a lot of movement in the market this time in the morning that I just know because, you know what I'm saying? This is my baby. I trade this almost every single day. So, I'm going to just do a .01 lot size right now. And I'm feeling a sell. So, let's just hop in this sell. Okay, we down $5. We just gonna let this rock. I'm gonna leave this for like 30 minutes and I'm gonna come back and update y'all and we gonna see how much money we made or lost. Hopefully made.
What it do, baby? Yeah.
All right, so it's been a little bit over 30 minutes and I was trying to wait longer because I was watching it the whole time. Right now, as you see, we are down $67. Apparently, my 50% chance is not chancing how it's supposed to. So I'm gonna close this out. Close with a loss, $70-something. So we're down $75 off rip. I don't know if I should open up another trade right now or wait. I think I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes, then I'm gonna come back because maybe like the market is like mad at me or something. So I need to wait for the market to like cool down. You know, like when a girl is mad at you, you gotta wait for her to cool down before you go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, talk to her, rub her back and all that stuff. So I'm gonna wait for the market to cool down for like 10 minutes to realize who the F I am and stop playing with me, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna come back and open up a trade for y'all. All right, so I'm in the kitchen now. Finna make some breakfast for my wife. And I figured maybe now she will stop playing with me. So I'm gonna open up another. I should flip a coin or something. I don't have a coin. Okay, I got it. We're gonna flip this little packet thingy. This is gonna be a buy, this is gonna be a sell. Did I say this was a sell or a buy? We go sell it. I don't know. All right, so let's sell this right now. Sell by market, done. And I'm gonna come back in like 30 minutes again. I'm gonna come back in 30 minutes. All right, so this time I told y'all Nas just had to realize who the heck I was. You know what I'm saying? So we up 82 right now. It's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna close this out right now. Boom. So now we are positive $7. As y'all see, we are sitting at $507 right now. I don't know if I'm ready to hop in another trade. I was watching this, like I had my phone just open the whole time, like sitting on my desk while I'm working and stuff like that, waiting for the 30-minute timer to go off. It went off, and I turned on the camera in 0.3 seconds. That's all I'm saying, because I just wanted to hurry up and close this trade out because it was just looking too good. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna hop in another trade right now. I think I gotta wait like a second. I'm gonna wait a little bit, let her just like cool down. You know, we just had a good time. It was a roller coaster of emotions. She fell in love again. I need to make sure she's still in love, so I gotta give her a little bit of time, and then I'll be back. Plus, I gotta go finish actually cooking. So, yeah, I'll be back. All right, so fast forward about an hour. I'm ready to hop back into another trade. Now, I'm about to go to the gym, so this one's gonna be a longer trade. I'm not gonna even touch it. I probably won't even look at it because this is my work phone, so I can leave my work phone at home when I go to the gym. So I probably won't even look at the trade until I get back from the gym. But I'm thinking it's a buy this time. We had two sales already. As y'all see, we had one minus 74 and one $82 win. So I'm thinking we going for a buy now. I think I should up the stakes though, because I don't feel confident, but I don't know at the same time. So I think we go double our lot size, which is still just a 0.02. But we go see what the heck you're talking about. We're going to enter into a buy right now. Wish us luck, man. Hopefully, okay, we in blue already. But hopefully this works out good. Like I said, I'm not even going to check back at it until probably right when I get back from the gym, actually. I ain't even finna stop and shower, none of that. Y'all finna see me on here with my sweaty balls and all. But hopefully this one goes good because we did up the lot size. Wish me luck.
2 hours later.
I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, bro. I did not even go to the gym here. It's been like 2 hours. I was on the phone with my brother, and I was talking to Destiny, my wife, and then my dad called me. So it's been like 2 hours, and we are down $127. Y'all can look right over there. We're down bad right now. Apparently, buys was not the play, but honestly, if we really doing the math on this, I told y'all in the beginning of the video, it's a 50% chance that I win. So the first trade was a loss. The second trade was a win. The third trade was a loss. So that means the next trade I take gonna be a win. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. And I'm not even gonna take another trade right now because the session's finna close in literally like an hour. So there's not a lot of volatility right now with NAS. So after session opens back up, probably later on tonight, I'm gonna come back, open up another trade, hopefully make $500,000 and call this a success.
Allow me to reintroduce myself.
We're back. I'm not feeling very confident with my 50-50 chances at this point. As you see, we're down $120. It was going good last trade. We had the plus $82, but now I'm sad. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trusting NAS right now because it's after hours. It's like 7 o'clock, 7:20, something like that. I don't freaking know. It's later on in the day. We allow market to open and there's to get some more volume in NAS. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'm gonna open up another buy. We did a sell before, then we did another sell, and the sell won. We did a buy, lost the first one, so we have to win the second buy. That's just how it works. And like technically, they have to let me win. Because it's 50%. So I'm right now, I'm not 50-50. So it needs to be 50-50. The world's going to make it 50-50. So we finna open up a trade right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to do a bigger lot size because I'm stupid. We're just going to press buy by market. Plus, it's a lot less, volume right now. So NAS is not going to move as much. So that's why I did a bigger lot size. So that like movement would obviously let me make more. So let's go for it. Let's go for it. Okay. I'm gonna check back with y'all. How long should I give this? I'm gonna give it 30 minutes. I'm gonna be back. Welcome back. So we're sitting at $15 in profit as of right now on this trade. It's been over 30 minutes because I set the alarm and then I got distracted talking to my wife, so it's been a little bit over 30 minutes. But I'm thinking I might just hold this all night. I did say I'm going to do this for 24 hours, so that does mean I have to have a trade. I do have to be trading up until tomorrow morning since I did start this morning. So I might just let this rock. I don't know if a buy is safe for overnight, but like I said, I don't even know what the charts look like for NAS right now. So I'm gonna just hold it because right, I ain't closing at $19. We just lost $150. See, this is really where traders go wrong. They try and make all their money back in one trade. And I'm showing y'all a perfect example of it live in action. But I don't give a F. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm going to just let this rock for the rest of the night, honestly. Hopefully, we come back tomorrow morning, and this says $500,000, and I'm rich. And then I can obviously buy a Lamborghini, and everybody will actually think I'm a real trader at that point. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. So I think I'm going to just check back with y'all tomorrow morning. Everybody like the video right now. Please wish me good luck in the comment section down below. I'm going to see y'all in a couple hours.
1 eternity later.
All right, y'all. So it is the next morning, and I have good and bad news. The good news is that I'm up $200-something. The bad news is that was last night. As of today, we're actually down $237 from that trade. Now, I didn't forget, but I didn't remember what time NFP was today. Now, NFP is a huge news day. It basically makes the markets go crazy. So what ended up happening, I went to sleep, right? And while I was up later, probably like 11 or 12 o'clock, I was up like $240. I was like, this is lit. This is amazing. And I'm going to show y'all it on the chart real quick. Now I can actually look at charts. But I was up a good amount, right? And then I went to sleep and I was like, okay, worst case scenario, I wake up and I'm just down a little bit of money. You know what I'm saying? But I woke up and it wicked me out. Like, it literally took me out the trade because I don't have enough money in my account to keep the trade going. If that didn't happen, then I would still be in a trade and I would actually be up right now. Let's hop into the chart so I can show you. All right, so here we are on the NAS 100 chart. Now, I entered, remember I did that last clip and I entered that buy at like 7 o'clock or something like that. So 7 o'clock is like somewhere around here. Let me put a little box around our entry point. Where even is our entry point? It's somewhere around here. We entered somewhere in this yellow box right here. You know what I'm saying? And I called it right. It was buying all the way up to here. You know what I'm saying? London session started. It was up 100 pips, right? Then by the end of London session, we were actually up roughly like 100, 102 pips. And as y'all see, this huge red candlestick came down, wicked all the way down here. This is NFP. This is the news that happened. And it took me out of the trade. And then it ended up going back up. If I was still in the trade right now, we'd be up 177 pips, which I was risking $4 per pip. So I'd be up like, come on, math, please work. I'd be up almost like $700, $700, $750, somewhere around there. You know what I'm saying? But as y'all see, I'm not. I'm down $200. Now, this challenge was insightful. It made me realize that I shouldn't do this again. Now, even though technically trading is a 50-50 game, it's still about risk management. Like, if I had to put a stop loss on this trade or took some profit off of the previous trade when I was up $200, I'd be finishing this challenge off positive, happy even. You know what I'm saying? But instead, I had no risk management. I had no stop loss. I had nothing for any of these trades. So I lost all my freaking money. I started off with $500 in the account, and now we are sitting at $142 inside of this account. I don't know why I do this, but that is the end of the video. That is the end of this challenge. If y'all have any more challenges y'all want me to try, trust me, I just got money to throw around at this point. You know what I'm saying? I just love freaking wasting money, right? But I like doing these challenges. They'd be pretty fun just to test out trading, see if I can get lucky, win a whole bunch of money, or lose all my money again. But let me know if y'all have any challenges y'all want me to do. Like if you want me to try and hold one trade for 3 months straight with a 500 lot size. I'm not doing that, but you can suggest it. But if y'all enjoyed it, and to help me feel better about losing $500, I would appreciate it if y'all smash the freaking like button. And if you're not subscribed, I make great content. If you go through my videos, you go see my videos are great. Subscribe right now, hit the post notification bell. And if you enjoyed this video, you will really enjoy this video right here. I challenged my wife, I let my wife trade on my trading account for 24 hours. Keep in mind, she's never traded a day in her freaking life. So watch the video, see how it goes. It actually went better than I thought it would have. But watch that video right there. And that's really about it. I'm going to see you on the next video.